Okay, guys. So I'm at the rest area. I got the first spot here, so nobody will come in behind me and block me in. This is what we're looking at. There's my cooler. I got a pop. I got some extra large eggs. I got some garlic toast, bologna or salami, cheese, a couple of things of water. That's it for food. I got my frying pan with me so that I can cook my food. Put the cooler back up in there now. Sorry about that finger. Frying pan. Some coconut water. Some stuff in that cooler there. Got a gas thing for my stove. Shit. All these people coming back. Come on. And this is my setup. Okay, guys. This is the view from the inside. I got my caribou hide right here. I'm using it for a pillow. And I got a power station in here. There's my microwave. And it works. Turn it off. Stop. So, and I got a fan in here so I don't burn up. Works pretty good. Got a little chair so I can sit down and relax and watch people go by. I can see all the other people in the parking area. There's my back window there. That window is tinted dark, so they can't see in that car going by right there. They can see the truck, but they can't see and hear at me. I got total privacy. Hopefully they don't park right next to me, but even if they do, they can't see in here because these windows are tinted. No access over this side. There's my bed, comfortable bed. Got my bags right there. So, yeah, pretty good setup I got here. I got my protection. And this is my stove. See, I'll open it up for you guys so you can see it. Gotta open it that way. There we go. There's my stove. So it burns propane and butane. Good little stove. And I'm snug as a bug in a rug in here. I got it made. So this is how I'm living. I got my chair right here. It's the perfect height for me to sit in here with my head not touching the ceiling. So I'm good and comfortable. There's my pillow, my bed there. I can sleep on here. And I'm good. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.